Okay, good evening all. Let's start the lesson. Like the last day, what we were doing is about MS Word basic interface, and today what we are going to do is we are going to continue from that part, right? I think you can rename yourself with the proper. Please rename yourself with the ID. Those who are not having ID, don't worry. I will rename yourself. Okay, let's do this now. And first thing is bullets and numbering. I will quickly go through this. This is very easy part, very easy part. Right, let's open this, and we have to do mail merge as well today. Mail merge part එකත් කරන්න ඕනද? Let's take a document. And first of all, I hope that I said you this last week also. Take MS Word, open the application, and you can use equal RAND method with the brackets to generate a random paragraph. I said this last week, I guess. කොහොමද? Equal RAND. සමාන ලකුණ equal, after that RAND, then the bracket open, bracket close, press enter, and you will get this paragraph. Okay. And that has different formats, equal RAND, then this is the second format which you can do, RAND, and then you can say 3,2, which will generate 3 paragraphs, each with 2 lines. Lines, you know, 2 lines. But 3 paragraphs, 2 lines, 2 sentences, 3 paragraphs, 2 sentences again, 3 paragraphs. How to give that? Equal RND 2, 3. You can change these values like equal to RND 13 paragraphs, each with 10 lines. 13 paragraphs, each with 10 lines. So this will be a long document. 13 paragraphs, each with 10 lines. This is random. And also you can give the number of paragraphs only. Equal rand 4 will be only 4 paragraphs with random lines. 4 paragraph equal rand 10 will be 10 paragraphs. Likewise, also you can do that, means one with rand, empty rand will give you random text. Then you can give rand with number of paragraphs, and the third is you can give rand with number of paragraphs and how many lines per each paragraphs. These 3 are valid implementation of rand method. Try it, and please try it now. Then equal lorem is similar to this, but equal lorem will give, lorem is similar to this, but lorem will give you non-English paragraph. English no one non-English paragraph. So you can implement the same with equal lorem. This 3 will give you 3 paragraphs, and equal lorem can implement 10 paragraphs each with 5 lines. These are also valid methods of lorem. So why, when you need you take a placeholder text. This is called placeholder text එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ අපිට මොනවා හරි ඉඩක් පුරවන්න text එක නිකන් මොනවා හරි ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Write something කියලා කියන්නේ. Basically when you say write something, when you say write something, you can use this method to do this. Okay, right, great. Right, next, because when you write something, you can do formatting, certain formatting, especially this, in your book, it mentions here shortcuts. Right, if you want to practice these shortcuts, writing something is essential. After this section, you can see the shortcut part is there. Control N for new, Control S, save, Control O, Control A, Control C, Control X, Control V, Control H. So these are basically you can practice these with. To practice this, you need to write some text. Okay, let me show. Okay, I need to write some text equal rand. How can I select a word? I can double click on the word. Here. Simplest way. Double click. Control B will bold. Double click. Control I will italic. Double click. Control U will underline. Control B for bold. Control I for italic. And italic, undo that italic. Control I again. Control I for italic and remove italic. Control U for underline. Then you can use some other things like Control S for saving. And here, even these things they have different, like control and control equal, sub, control equal, control minus, control A for select all, triple click to select the entire paragraph. Paragraph එකම select කරන්න ඕන 1 2 3. Triple click. Here. 1 2 3. Triple click to select the entire paragraph. These are some shortcuts. Okay, let's move to the next part. Now I need to write the bulletin and numbering thing. So that is what we were discussing. Let's move to that quickly. How to apply bulletin numbering. Okay, here. There is a list. Quickly type this list. Quickly type this list. There are two types of memory. They are primary memory, RAM, ROM, secondary memory, and storage. Okay, they try to create this document very soon. I will give you similar type, right? Similar document. Even with this labeling. මේ labels උත් එක්කම හදන්න බලන්න මේ 20 70 18 19 16 කියලා තියෙන label. ඒ label එක්කම හදන්න බලන්න මේ document එක. Please try to create this document soon. Same colors, same labeling. I will give you 3 minutes. You can share the screen after that. Okay, try to create this. I will give you 3 minutes, then share your screen. Okay, let's see who's going to do the first. Who's going to finish this first? අපි බලමු කවුද ඉස්සෙල්ලාම complete කරන්නේ කියලා. Who's going to complete this first? I will give him the chance, the chance to present. Do it now. Already 1 minute, 30 seconds gone. Okay. Please do it now. You have 2 more minutes. Please raise your hand once you're done. Then I will give you the chance to present. Javir, finish? Finish? Yes. No? Shavani, have you finished? Shavani?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Do it quickly. I know I didn't teach you that doesn't matter. You have to try. First try, then I will teach. Okay, the first thing is you need to add the square. Insert. Go to the insert menu, shapes. From the shapes, add this shape square. The square need to be in the color of, okay, I need to shape fill and use the gradient fill. Seems this is the gradient fill is used. And then the color need to be changed. So what is the color? It is something like, okay, no fill colors. Let's pick this. For this. Okay. Then the shape fill need to gradient fill of this. I guess this, right? Okay. Border color is also some purple like color. Border width is 1. This is the border width and the color of the border. Let's use this color, right? Okay. Go for a similar thing, and you can see it has like this bevel emboss shape. Therefore, go to the shape format again. Use this and I think the bevel emboss. This is the more. Mostly it will be okay. If it is not okay, go to the shape format or try to change it to some other bevel emboss format here. Bevel, and from that this one also okay. I don't think that is not the one. I think it's this one. No. Seems this one. The previous one that we have applied. You can format it, right? You can even format it, make a කැමති නැත්නම් තව ගිහිල්ලා මේකේ තියෙනවා 3D options කියලා. ඒ 3D options වලට ගිහිල්ලා මේක තව මේ වගේම පේන්න format කරන්න පුළුවන්. Can apply shadows here, bevel emboss, the bevel width, top bevel, bottom bevel, and contour. All these things can be changed. You can see it now දැනට මේ ඇති හරි. And there are two lists. Edit text. Then you can write there are two types of memory. There are two types of memory, and they are, you can just use text fill, black color text fill. What does happen to the text fill? Okay, text fill black. Text outline, no outline. Then what else? The text alignment. Go to the text options there. Go to the text options there. And you can go to the text field, text outline. No, that is not there. Other things, actually the alignments, you have to go to the home page. Left align the text. Okay. What are they? They are primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory are two types, ROM and RAM. Secondary memory are hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. Hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. Okay, done. First of all, primary memory, secondary memory. You need to apply this 1, 2, 3. Primary memory. This 1, 2, 3 again, the secondary memory. Then 1.1, 1.2, like the same. This 1, 2, 3, but second level. Second level, second level, second level, second level. කොහෙම යවනේ? මෙතන තියෙනවද? අමෙතින් 1.1, 1.2. Then tab එක ගහන්න ඕන පුතේ. මේක select ලා තියෙද්දිම you have to press the tab key. Tab key. And then you have to select this. Okay. හරි අපි මේකම දාලෙමුකෝ. Let's select the entire thing. This one, this one. Okay. Just make a select කරලා you have to put the tab key. Now it's 1.1, 1.2 ගෙලෙනවා. හරි. And here in this one, 2 tab key. හැබැයි 2.1, 2.2 කියලා නෙවෙයි එන්න ඕන. You have to press, you have to select. From here, you have to select ABC type. Hurry. Then you'll get ABCD, right? Okay. I hope this part is done. If not, please tell me. I will help you. Okay, this is what the Tihan has done. He has sent me the screenshot. Good. AB තමයි මෙතන පොඩ්ඩක් AB තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. Tihan බලන්න මෙතන. AB තියෙන්නේ. එතන 1 2 එන්න ඕන. You need to correct that. The other thing is okay. I agree. Correct. Okay, good. Here this part is okay. මේකේ තව gap ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. මෙතන උඩ click කරාම මේ උඩ එනවා පේනවද ඔයාලට? Here can you see there are two things. This is showing the margin and this line indent. Line indent you can change, right? Here. And also the margin you can change. By changing the line indent and the margin, here let's keep the line indent to 50. You can see it comes to, and here also line indent to 50, right? එතකොට මේ දෙකේ line indent එක ටිකක් වැඩි කරමු. තව line indent මේ හරියට විතර දාන්න වෙනවා line indent. එතකොට මෙතන number indent එක ටිකක් තව චුට්ට ඉස්සරහට ගෙන්න යන්න. මේ වගේ. Okay? Try to get as much as the try to get the similar output. හැම වෙලේම බලන්න when you applying this, try to get similar output, right? Why? Because like you are trying to get the same exact thing which is in the book. They are කමා එකක් එනවා නේ මෙතන. Okay. Right, what is next? Okay, next you have these small boxes. Let's add the small boxes. Right, it has same fill, same outline, and also the same gradient. Same fill, same outline, same gradient. And then some number. This here is 20. And the number should be in the black letters. Let's change it to not the text option, sorry. Text fill is black. Okay. Just copy paste that few times. Control C, Control V to copy paste, and here you have 17. මේකම හදන්න ඕනේ හරිද පොතේ තියෙන්නේ මේක හදන්න කියලා නෙමෙයි ලිස්ට් එක විතරයි මම මේ ඔයාලට අනිත් ඒවාත් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරවනවා. I'm practicing you the others. In the book they need only the list, right? Only the multi-level list, all these things, but I'm practicing these other things also. 18, then 19 there, 19 there, and you have lines, insert, shape, and these lines. This line you can see it's pointing to okay, I can just draw this. This line format, maybe a dark one, dark red. No. You can just use the line color to red. Then 1 and 2, there are branches. Just copy and paste the line. Connect it here. 2 is one branch and copy paste it again. Okay. Then 18, it is pointing to this curly brace. You have to go to insert, shape, this time curly brace. This. Say color is red. Use a line. These parts are missing in your one. So try to complete. මට ඔප එකේ මේවා මිස් වෙලා තිබ්බේ පුතේ. Okay, Control C, Control V to copy paste. $20. We are trying to imitate. I know this design is ugly, but the thing is, they are trying to imitate. Trying to apply the same. එකම දේ අපි apply කරන්න බලන්න ඒකයි මේක කරන්නේ නැත්නම් මේක මහලු ලස්සන එකක් නෙමෙයි. Okay, I think we are done. තව එකක් එහෙම දෙන්න. Storage capacity bit nibble byte megabyte gigabyte. Insert shape. This time this rounded one. It has 3 colors: fill, shape fill, radiant, mod radiance this time. Gradient fill. There are 3 colors. The first color is blue. The second color is cyan. The third color is purple like blue. Then the preset gradient is no, it's not radial, it is linear. Rectangular. On that part. Rectangular. Radial, no, it should be linear. Change the number of degrees to 90. Okay. The center one is in the cyan color, and the bottom one is in the purple color. You can just increase the transparency a little. To blend with the other one. Okay, I guess I got the same, similar, not the same, similar, sorry. Then inside this you have to mention storage capacity. මම බලනවා දැන් ඔයාලා ඉවර කළාද කියලා. I will check that you have done this. Storage capacity, where the capacity comes to the second line. This is in black color. Text options, text fill is black. Then you have few options: bit, nibble, byte, megabyte, bit, nibble, byte, megabyte, and gigabyte. Megabyte, let's say decrease the size of the font, and the last one is gigabyte. Okay. This you need to add a bulletin style, define new bulletin point. මෙතන නෑ bulletin point එක. අපි බලමු bullet points මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Let's put the available bullet points. The four dots, dot හතරක් තියෙනවානේ. Four dots, is it somewhere? Not here. Not here also. The picture. No, it will ask me to find the picture there. Oh, I thought the balloon pictures, but okay, I will get similar one, right? But it's not the same. Let's try to find something else. Four dots. No, I think the previous one is better. What a change karana, you can change this, you can get the exact one, but I will just stick to this because it will take more time. Say, oh, okay, and indent it left. Here also you can just indent these points. Select this. Okay. Then curly brackets. Yes, any questions are welcome. You can ask any questions. If you have any question, you can ask. Here to here. It's a red color one again. And I need a box as well. Box number is 16 this time. Okay, you have two arrows. Now it's high time to share and then deliver at it. So let's see who has received same result. Let's see who got the same result. And let's copy this. I know it is tough because it has many designs. It's not simple. It has many designs. Why don't know? Why they have included this one? Maybe to practice, right? Maybe they need you to practice. They expect you to practice this. That can be the reason. Otherwise, like, why this much of design is not needed? Okay, done. So this is what Javiru made. Very good, Javiru. Close enough. Can give the marks 100%. Javiru, yes, can give 100%. It's close enough. Tihan, have you updated your one? No. This is what I made. If you have any errors, if you have any errors, difficulty, you don't know how to do that, like this. Anything that is related, you can report. And this is what I got from my creations. You can apply your own styles, you can own numbering, all these things can be done. own formats, but this is what the expected format from the in the school book. No, nibble like ekak naha, sorry, yeah. It's only nibble. Nibble means half byte. 4-bit is nibble. Bit කියන්නේ it's 1 bit 100. 4-bit 100 හතරක් ගත්තා means 4-bit. Okay, anyone wish to share? Other than I got 2 from Javiru. All both are boys, Tihan, Javiru. No any girls wish to share? Anyone wish to share? Hikma, you wish to share the screen? Like to share? No. If so, you can share. Doesn't matter, right? If there are mistakes or if there are like things to be corrected, that doesn't matter. I can help. Isuru.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how do you curl the edges in the text box? Can you say it again?
Yeah, you can share the screen. I will show you. That's easy for me. Because then someone else will also learn. Can you share? Okay, sure. Good. Which one you need to ask? Still share.
How to curl these edges?
Edges. Okay, let it share. Still, it is sharing. It's loading the screen. Okay, edges.
These edges.
You mean the border of the box? Is it?
Yes.
Click on the box first. Click on the box first. Just click on the box. Then go to here, shape outline. Shape outline in the menu here. And then you can apply the color.
Not the color, sir, the border in the round.
Round there. That when you insert the shape, you have to get the rounded rectangle.
Okay, sir.
This you can see this is square. This is not square, it's a rectangle. The second one is rounded rectangle. Can you see the difference? Get a rounded rectangle.
Yes, sir.
You have to get the rounded rectangle. Okay. Anyone else having such problems need to be solved? Okay. If no problem, we can move to the next. And if no problem, we can move to the next. So we need always you to like sharing is must. Then only like you practice this, because word like subject, word like thing, you cannot do it without practicing. Just practice and remember the things. Then that will be easy. Okay. So here tab and shift tab. Shift tab and tab. How we can use them in multi-level? When you select something in a multi-level list can be applied to the second option, right? Multi-level list එකක් වට ගන්න පුළුවන්. You have to select this and then go to in the home tab. Here you can see here this is the bulleted list. First one bulleted. The second one is numbered. Third one numbered multi-level. Numbered or bulleted multi-level. Basically numbered this. Numbered multi-level. So when you apply multi-level list, right, you need to apply list multi-level to the everything. Okay, let's say we have because like some of you are struggling to do that. Okay, let's say I have a car, Nissan, Toyota, Toyota, Audi, Van, Nissan, let's say Benz. So let's say I just need multi-level list. I will select everything first. Select everything list and everything and apply multi-level here. Methanima multi-level daga. Let's apply this one or this one, second multi-level, right? Then all are in the same level. But then select 2 items from here, press the tab key. That will add to the multi-level. Understood? Select 2 items or 3 items that you wish. Okay, Audi, Toyota, Nissan, all 3 are cars. Nissan, Benz, vans. When you press another tab, it will go to the 3rd level, the 4th level, 5th level, 6th level. Like. If you want to come back, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift and tab key, shift and tab key. That is how you decrease the level. Tab to increase the level, shift tab to the decrease level. Understood? Understood? If any issues, please tell me. I'm not going to redo this. Going to wind up the list part now. Do I need to explain anything? Come on, I know it's late night. I know sometimes you feel sleepy. The nature, I'm really sorry. I said that I'm investing time for you. That's why I'm putting this time. You have to do little dedication. Right? I'm investing time for you. That's why I'm doing this in the last moment. But you have to like patiently wait, because when we call the grade 11 exams, we will have a different paper class for them in a different time. Right? Also, we are trying to finish the grade 10 syllabus early. That will also happen, and we will start the paper class soon. And for the grade 11 students, I will increase the time as well, and we'll put another separate class. Okay. Right. I think we can go to the next one, right? Can go to the next one. Okay. Next is this. Shadings and background colors and the borders and shadings. So this is another important part in a document when you add shadings and borders. This we have done in grade 9 also, right? This we have done in grade 9 also. And let's try to do these activities. You can do this as a homework, right? Please submit this as a homework. Please do this activity. Activity number 6, do as a homework. This is a multi-level list and submit. So similar things, similar principles that we have learned. Okay, borders and shadings. I would like to borders and shadings. So let's do this one. Let's do this one for borders and shadings. I would like you to type this invitation letter. Should be MS Word, right? Okay, very simple thing. Okay, let's do by our own. So because like otherwise. I will take a very simple card. Okay, so try to create this one soon using MS Word. Okay, you can use placeholder text. Okay, placeholder text. So something like this. Okay, let me quickly do this. Look at my screen and you have to follow me, right? First invitation. Okay, invitation. Then I'm using equal lorem to generate the placeholder text. Okay, I will make it center. This is my invitation and this is it, and center. Let's increase the font size. Okay, let's increase the line height. Okay, and let's press few enters. Now I'm going to add a border to this using insert, then borders and shading. Where's my borders and shading? I can go to design. In the design, I can go to borders and page borders. From the page borders, I'm going to apply 3D borders. From the 3D borders, I'm going to apply an art. And then I will apply that in the whole document. Now you can see some hearts. And to the page color, I'm adding beige color page. From here, some beige. Okay. Now it looks beige color. Indentation. I will make the indentation letter font in red color and appearing with some word art format here with a reflection. This. No, I think this will be better. What if? Okay. Increase the font a little more. Okay. Indentation. And then. Okay, I will highlight this part in red and this part in red again. So change the font to a dynamic font like this. Okay. And changing the color to red. Okay, can you do this very quickly? This part is not needed. Can you do this very quickly? I have done this within just 2 minutes. And I just need to apply a fold there. I will use a shape. And this time using this one to apply a fold like this. Just adding the shape in the corner. Okay. Change the shape fill to red. And border to none. And also another shape. It's another shape like this. Okay. Shape fill is red again. Border to none. And it need to be transparent. Okay, colors. Opacity is not 100%, 19% opacity is like this. So let's change the color of this to okay. And I'm duplicating the shape. by changing the height. So let's apply blue color there. This one also I need luminous blue. Okay, can you create this invitation very quickly? Within maybe 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to create this invitation. The text actually you have to use lorem, right? Text agar mama use kare lorem function equal lorem. Invitation itra mama type kare. I just type it. Then after that equal lorem to generate the text. I will do small modification again. Okay, very small modification. Like this. Right click, send to back, send to back. Okay. Right click, wrap text behind the text. Okay. This I need to change the bar shape format, shape fill to yellow. Shape outline to none. Shape fill, more fill colors, and just decreasing the opacity to 12. Okay. I know it's not look nice, it's not really nice, but the thing is you have to learn how to apply the border, shadings, shapes, and text formatting. So please do this very quickly. You will have another 2 minutes to complete. 2 minutes to complete. Lorem. Harin, it is lorem. Class. Lorem. The function is equal lorem. Equal lorem with the brackets. Like this. Point. Girls need to worry. You need to work hard. Voice up performing well in practicals. Don't know why. Here, this is what Shamin has sent. Okay, good. So mostly done. Except these lines and the transparency, you need to add. Transparency on the lines you need to add. Okay, but this is somewhat okay. You can. Anyone wish to share their creations? Anyone wish to share their creations before we wind up? So you need to do one activity. So that activity is already, I have said that is activity number 6. And okay, good. Yes, good. Transparency, and like you can add the transparency. You can click on this and make it transparent, right? And also the lines, you need to remove these lines. Click on this. Okay, just click on one, and then go to format shape. Okay, then no field is okay. Line color, go to the line style. No line, okay. Others also you have to apply this no line, and also the transparency. Right click, go to the shape field, format shape. Yeah, there you can just go to the line color, no fill, and go to the fill, and you can add the transparency there. Transparency, yes. That you need to change. Okay, there is another thing that you need to add, right? Okay. Okay, with that, I will stop for today. I think you have done a great work during the class. So here we are here. And now shapes and images, we already done. The images actually need to be done, and let's do the image part next day. And also I'll be finishing the column and column layout as well as the table layout part next day. And then the spelling and grammar thesaurus part also next day. Most probably we can do up to print next week, and week after next week I'll do the mail merge part and finish this. And also same day I'll be starting looking at spreadsheets. Okay, then good night. See you all next week. Goodbye.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.